so it is that Greg and Mandy present themselves to be married today, surrounded by the people they love the most. Since the day she realized you are equally as crazy about dogs as she is, she knew you were the one. Greg, Mandy loves you more today than she did yesterday, and tomorrow and each day forward, her love for you will continue to grow. From the numerous dogs that will be adopted to homestead plans for the new land in Pittsburgh, it's his greatest joy to think about all these adventures with you by his side. I, Mandy, take you, Greg, to be my husband. I will share my life with yours, build our dreams together, support you through times of trouble, and rejoice with you in times of happiness. I give you this ring. Wear it with joy and love. As this ring has no end, my love is also forever. Now, by the power vested in me by the state of North Carolina, it is my great honor to declare you husband and wife. You may seal this declaration with a kiss.
It's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved.
I am pleased to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Gregory Leonard German.
No more, no more.
Love doesn't like being left alone for long, but come home and love is always happy to see you. It may break a few things accidentally in its passion for life, but you can never be mad at love for long. Love makes messes. Love leaves you little surprises here and there. But love makes you meet people wherever you go. People who have nothing in common but love stop and talk to each other on the street. Throw things away, and love will bring them back again and again and again. But most of all, love needs love, lots of it. And in return, love loves you and never stops.
Bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the
And then I started thinking to myself, you know what, the German boys have been pretty damn lucky all their lives. In the first minute and a half that I met her, I realized that my nephew Greg was pretty damn lucky.